Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Y equals to A over B times X positive C. Y equals to D over E times X positive C. In the given pair of equations A, B, C, D and E are constants. The pair of equations represent two perpendicular lines in the xy plane. If 0 less than A over B less than 1, which of the following must be true? Okay, here the question says that the two lines are perpendicular, and when I consider the equations over here, each equation is in slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b. When we have the equation of a line in slope intercept form, the coefficient of x over here represents the slope of the line. Okay, now let me consider the slope of the first line over here, that is the coefficient of x, that is a over b. Now let me consider the slope of the second line, coefficient of x over here, that is d over e. In general, if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of the slopes must be equal to -1. Since the given two lines are perpendicular, the product of the two slopes over here must be equal to -1. Okay, here we have the value for A over B as an inequality. That is, the value of A over B is between 0 and 1. So since the value of A over B is between 0 and 1, we can assume some value for A over B so that it is between 0 and 1. So let me assume 1 over 2 as a value for A over B. We know that 1 over 2 is a value between 0 and 1. Now let me plug in this value 1 over 2 for A over B here. Then the given equation will become 1 over 2 times D over E equals to -1. Okay, when I go over the answer choices here, in each answer choice we have value about D over E. So now what we have to do is we have to solve for D over E in this equation. So for that we have to get of the fraction 1 over 2. Now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 2. That is 2 times 1 over 2 times D over E. On the right side also, let me multiply this -1 by 2. Okay, here this 2 will cancel out. 1 times D over E is D over E. On the right side, -1 times 2 is -2. Okay, here I got the value of D over E, that is -2. Okay, now we can verify the given answer choices. Okay, when I go over the answer choices, I'm pretty sure answer choices C and D are incorrect, because here we got the value of D over E as a negative value, but here in answer choice D, it says that D over E is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means it has to be a positive value, it cannot be correct. And the answer choice C says the value of D over E is between 0 and 1. Any value between 0 and 1 will be positive, but here the value of D over E is negative, so we can reject this one as well. Now let's verify answer choice B. Answer choice B says the value of D over E is between -1 and 0. We know that this value -2 does not come between -1 and 0, so it's not true. We can reject answer choice B. Okay, now we can verify answer choice A. Answer choice A says that the value of D over E is less than -1. We know that this value -2 is less than -1, so this is true. The correct answer choice for this question is A.